How to find PC password on Windows 10. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate or even change your current password on your Windows 10 PC. Now, to start is to go into your Windows search and type in control, then simply access control panel. Then once you're here, if your control panel is set as a default into large icons, all I have to do is to view by category. Click on user accounts and then choose on user accounts once again. And from here, choose on manage another account and then click on the current account that you have. Now, once you got here, you just need to go back. And right here, you should be able to see the option that's here, change the password. Once you click that, you just need to input the current password and then type in the password that you prefer. And that's it. That's how you find your password for Windows 10.